This is Carlos Zuniga with Elite Construction and Roofing. As you see here, this is a wind damaged shingle we are trying to repair. It's got no mat transfer in the bottom. You can see that. It's got no tool marks. So I don't want to hear nothing about this is not a wind damaged shingle. There's absolutely no tool marks, no mat transfer. This is a complete wind damaged shingle. So I'm gonna pass this camera over and we're gonna repair this thing. I'm gonna be using a snake bar and a pry bar and a hammer, of course. I'm gonna go ahead and get started here. All right. All right, the shingle should come off now. All right. All right, so we got the shingle off. Gonna go back. At the textual. We're gonna use the snake bar here. Alrighty. Got one in there.
Taking that off? Yo, why are you taking that off?
I'm doing a video. Give me 1 second. All right, as you can see, I'm finished with the repair now using the snake bar. You can see the obvious crease damage. I'll point it out here. Right there. Right here. Right there. So this one's a fail. As you can see, changing this shingle right here, using the snake bar, still creased the top shingle. It's got a little bit of crease on Shingle to the top as well, but the roof is unrepairable.